Namaste and a warm welcome to all our esteemed guests, customers, Anu, Meher and Firoz, Ashish as well, our senior leadership team and our executive council members and also our colleagues who are present here. A warm welcome to everybody. We also have a special guest of honor whom I would like to categorically mention, Shraddha, Sia and Aarti. These are our first female employees of the factories who will be operating critical machines. So a great round and roaring applause to them. Today marks a significant milestone in the journey of Thermax of growth, innovation and progress, especially for the water division. From our humble beginnings decades ago to this state-of-art facility, we unveil our path, which has been one of dedication, perseverance and vision. As we embark on this new chapter, I am reminded of the countless hours of dedication, collaboration and determination that has brought together for this a milestone achievement moment for the water business. It is a testament of our commitment of our team members, for enduring support of our senior leadership, partners and stakeholders. This day holds a lot planned for everybody here as we experience this amazing achievement together. So let's set the sail to turn the tide and sustain the blue. National Anthem is our beacon of hope and also an example of unity of our shared values and belonging. It plays a significant importance for all of us. I now request everybody to please rise for the National Anthem, after which it will be followed by a safety oath as well.
Check. जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उत्कल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे
Everybody to please stand as we take the safety oath. I invite Sneha, our safety officer, to brief us about the safety protocols later. We'll start with the oath first.
I will set excellent safety standards by adhering to safety norms, reporting hazards, and taking prompt actions to prevent accidents. I will do my share to preserve the planet's future by conserving resources and minimizing carbon footprint through reduce, reuse, and recycle. Thank you. Good morning, all. Our commitment to safety is unconditional. It's our priority to keep you safe during your presence here. Today, as there is no mock drill is planned, so if you hear any wailing siren, then it will be because of the real emergency. Do not get panic. Our team will escort you to the safe assembly point. Don't use elevator, and also in this building there is a central staircase. If anybody is upstairs, then don't use that central staircase for evacuation. There is a emergency exit for this auditorium at your right side. You can take that nearest emergency exit to reach the safe assembly point. There is assembly point near main gate of this building, security gate. And during your factory visit, there are 2 assembly points for the factory at the left and right side of the factory. If required, in case any medical emergency, there is on-site medical assistance available with a doctor and ambulance. Requesting to follow safety protocols during your factory visit. Use of safety helmet is mandatory. At the entrance of the factory, you will find the safety helmets. So you have to help yourself during your factory visit there. We will be also assisting you there. Follow walkways and aisle during your factory visit. Do not touch any material or any machinery. Do not go near to any machinery to keep yourself safe. Be with your host and do not leave your group. And in case of any assistance you required, please let us know. We are ready to help you out. Have a safe and wonderful visit for our factory. Thank you.
Thank you, Sneha. Safety has always been a paramount for us at Thermax, so kindly ensure that all the safety protocols are followed during the visit. Today, as we embark on this special journey, let us begin with rhythmic beats and melodious tunes, setting the stage for a spiritual connectivity and seeking the blessings of Almighty as we begin. I would now request the team to please step forward for the Ganesh Vandana.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। गणनायकाय गणदेवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणदन्दिताय गुणेशादाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणदीक्षाय गुणप्रवीक्षाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीगणताय धीमहि गणेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीमहेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीगणताय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
Thank you for such a melodious Ganesh Vandana. Our journey today begins with the guidance and the vision and the wisdom, of course, of our leaders. Let us welcome Meher Padamji, our chairperson for Thermax Limited, to share her thoughts and vision with us. It is worth noting that Meher started her journey of Thermax with the water division. I welcome Meher here.
A very good morning to everyone, and welcome to Thermax, those who are from outside of Thermax. I want to start by first congratulating the entire team. I am really, really delighted. As she mentioned, I started my journey at water, in the water division, and so it brings back many nostalgic memories. I made many friends here, and it was a wonderful time that I truly had. And so I want to thank and I want to congratulate Ashish, Mahesh, Vishal, everyone, the whole team, Mandar, Sanjay, Abhijit, everybody. I just want to thank all of you and congratulate everyone, because as was mentioned, it's a collaborative effort to put up a factory like this. So thank you to all of you. I also want to say that, we've always been a company or a division that's subcontracted. And I want to thank the vendors who've supported Thermax, because without their support and their partnership, water would not have reached where it is today. So I don't know if the vendors are here today, but a big thank you to all of you. And even though we have brought in manufacturing of vessels over here, we are going to continue with the same vendors for larger vessels. So it's not that we are going to ditch you or anything like that. We will continue partnering with you. So thank you very much for being with us. It's great to see that Vishal and team have really thought through this entire manufacturing with sustainability at the core. Vishal, I really want to thank you for that. We are an energy and environment company, and therefore I'm very thankful that we are practicing what we are preaching. That's really important. And a few of the things that we have followed is, one is the IGBC guidelines, which is for green buildings. I'm really happy that we've looked at solar, we've incorporated rainwater harvesting, effluent recycle, and many others. Second, we've used safe and green materials for handling the facilities, and you'll see that when we come there. Third, we've eliminated shot blasting. I remember as a trainee, we used to have shot blasting, and it's a very dirty process. So I'm really glad that we've eliminated it, and we've gone in for some nanotechnology, which is great. Fourth is the efficient use of space, using, and we had a glimpse into it a few months ago, the automated storage system for your C and D category items. I really think that we have to go in for more and more automation. That's the way the world is moving. That's the way we will increase our productivity. And last but not least is the robotic welding for vessels. You might take a little longer in terms of payback, but I think we will give our customers the quality that they really deserve. We will also have better productivity, hopefully better deliveries, and low COPQ, cost of poor quality. So with that, I just want to say a big thank you. I couldn't have asked for a better morning in terms of music and seeing so many women. I want to thank the three of you for being our guests of honor today. Where's the three? All three of you. Stand up once again. We give you a big hand. So they are going to be the first three women who are going to sounds horrible, who are going to women our machinery here at the factory. So kudos to all of you, and really wish you and sustain the blue, because honestly and truly, water has a huge, huge potential, not only in our country, but world over. And as you all know, that Pune is right now suffering a terrible, terrible water shortage, like many other cities in our country. And so we have a responsibility in many ways to do something for this. And so I'm sure you're going to do extremely well. Wish you and the entire team lots of success. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. We are delighted to have all the three generations of the family here. It's extremely heartwarming to see you all together. Also, one more thing that I want everybody to note is we have Anu with here, and it is a great honor and privilege for us to have you here, ma'am. And a roaring round of applause for Anu. We seek your blessings, ma'am. Yeah, we seek your blessings, ma'am, on this auspicious occasion. After the beautiful melodious Ganesh Vandana, I would request Ajay and Vaibhavi to please step in for another melodious performance for all of us.
You saw me standing alone without a dream in my heart, without a love of my own. Blue moon, you knew just what I was there for. You heard me saying a prayer for someone I really could care for. And then suddenly appeared before me the only one my arms could ever hold. And then somebody whispered, please adore me. Looked to the moon and turned to gold. Blue moon, you saw me standing alone without a dream in my heart, without a love of my own. someone I really could care for. And then suddenly appeared before me, the only one my arms could ever hold. And somebody whispered, please adore me. Looked to the moon and turned to gold. Thank you.
Thank you so much for this melodious, sustaining blue, which is our theme for the day. As we step forward, this factory represents more than just bricks and mortar to us. It symbolizes our commitment to excellence, innovation, and sustainability. This factory is a reflection of our value, integrity, respect, and responsibility. It is a promise to our customers, our community, and the future generations that we will continue to strive for excellence in everything we do. I now request the team to share a glimpse of our journey, which has led us to this celebratory moment here. Can we please have the factory video, please?
Blue is water. Blue is life. But our blue is fading. Harmful chemicals and pollutants generated by industries have intensified the strain on our planet's freshwater reserves. These threats not only jeopardize sensitive ecosystems, but also pose serious health risk to human population. Immediate actions are non-negotiable, and innovations in water treatment technologies and smart water management systems are more vital than ever. Thermax is turning the tide as a pioneer in restoring and preserving water resources with its new-age water and waste solutions. With over 5 decades of technical expertise, Thermax remains at the forefront of delivering clean water solutions through advanced water treatment, recycling, ZLD, and desalination solutions across industries. With the growing demand for compact yet aesthetically appealing quality products, Thermax ventured into modularization era, offering a stellar solution for every industry.
I recall when I joined this business, we had no manufacturing facility. The only asset that we had were people. And with this asset, we made the most enviable of references available to us.
Our credibility in the market outside is very high because we delivered those plants which gave the rated quantity of water of the rated quality.
You name the technology under water and wastewater, and we had the most enviable of the references in the country.
We have started the plant. Our client went up to the tank. He has climbed up onto the tank. So we have asked him, what happened, sir? Why you have climbed up to the tank level itself? So he said, there was a problem with our earlier plant. When we have started the plant, the permeate didn't come out. It was only a reject was going on. So that was one funny thing.
When I joined on the first day, one of my guru, the C.D. Agarwal, was told to teach me water treatment. CDA asked me one simple question saying that, "Are tere ko kuch pani malum hai kya?" I said, "No, except what is hard water and what is soft water." He said, "That's the best thing."
Thermax is a really great company, a technological innovation company. Thermax is never short of the skills.
To support the critical requirements with specialized solutions, we have been collaborating with global leaders through technological tie-ups, ensuring that every drop is conserved, recycled, and reused. Our mission is to be a preferred partner in the journey of water positivity for all our customers while giving rebirth to water resources through advanced technology.
Water treatment products are bought by our customers at the fag end of their decision making with respect to a particular project. The first priority always for them is their process equipment. This created a pressure on our delivery of equipment to customer. To overcome this challenge, we have come up with an innovative factory where we are going to put assembly of our units so that we can bring products to our customer at a faster pace.
This establishment of new factory holds various benefits for us, both short-term and long-term. On short-term benefits, it offers us increased capacity to serve more customers. Now, the new factory will immediately improve our production facility, thereby address higher demand in the market, and also gives us opportunity to serve more customers in the marketplace and also foster our aspirations for higher market share and increased market demand.
Looking at water business and its exponential growth in past few years, it was imperative to redefine manufacturing strategy.
We are now ready to achieve yet another milestone with the state-of-the-art manufacturing facility at Pune. With high-tech equipments like plasma plate cutting machine and the plate rolling machine, along with robotic welding systems, the plant guarantees speed, accuracy, high productivity, and operational safety. This IGBC compliant modern facility harnesses solar power and harvests rainwater and is designed for flexibility and growth. With advanced production processes, minimize waste, focused precision engineering, and improved productivity, the facility ensures faster deliveries and superior quality while integrating greener processes throughout the development. Our painting process leverages nanotechnology, offering greener options that comply with industry standards. Our integrated automated storage and retrieval system effectively utilizes vertical space, offering cost-effective and efficient solutions for storage and retrieval needs. Complementing our vision for the future and symbolizing our commitment to constant innovation, we aim to create a water-conscious environment to conserve our most vital resource. At Thermax, we are bringing back the blue, delivering a promise of sustainability and a message of hope for a brighter, water-secure future.
Thank you, team, for putting across a beautiful video which not only talks about our past, also our present, and also our future. A great shout out to Mandar. I think you've heard his voice, and he was the in-house talent for the voiceover. A special mention to Mandar. As we continue with our stories of inspiration and thoughts from our leadership team, it's an honor to invite Ashish Bhandari, the MD CEO Thermax, to share his insights with us.
Hello, very good morning to everyone here, and thank you so much for coming here and being part of our day and our celebration. For someone who has grown up in the 80s, one of our favorite parts of Sundays was Cosmos, which was narrated by Carl Sagan as he talked about the world beyond Earth. And in the images he would show Earth as this little red dot, which was part of this very, very big universe. And we are that very, very tiny dot. But what makes this little dot happen, sustain life, make everything around us what it is. Life as we know it is water. Yeah, in one of another seminal pictures that is there, which was taken, I think, by Apollo 17, the picture of the blue marble, which shows planet Earth, and it's just blue, blue, blue everywhere. And there is no more water. It is all that there is. Yeah, fresh water, what we see is all the supply that Mother Nature has given us. And we are running out of it. Yeah, we're running out of it because as we are growing, and India is a very good example of that, by all metrics, the amount of water India will need between now and 2047, which is when we finish 100 years of our independence, is 2 times the amount of water that we have available today. Almost everything that we do requires water. Industrial activity, agriculture activity, what we need in our home to keep ourselves clean, everything requires water. And as we talk about, the solutions to water are also within our own grasp. Today, 75% of the water, whether it's industrial or whether it is consumer, used in commercial buildings, homes, etc., which means going out through ETPs, going out through STPs, various different kinds of waste, all of which is wasted. Yeah, and that number by 2047 is expected to be close to 90%, which means technology will be the answer of how do we balance growth and continue to meet our sustainability that is needed, because we can't survive without water. Yeah, with that as the goal, this planet, for this planet, this factory is what represents the future. Yeah, everything that we do with respect to our products, everything that you make out here, yeah, the RO systems, ultrafiltration, ETPs, STPs, ZLD, the group keeps expanding from a manufacturing perspective. We'll have tubular membranes out here, the vessels that we make, CDI units, everything that we do. Ultimately, the need that you're addressing is of a future that is needed by all of us. And that future very clearly is changing also, because you can see our customers are demanding a lot more. Yeah, and in that sense, the transformation this factory represents and is a symbol of the transformation of our entire water business. This is just the front, but what we are looking to do is transform every bit of this water business. The way our customers interact with us, how quickly, like Vishal was saying, like Meher was saying, our customers are demanding faster deliveries from us, are requiring us to be able to do a lot of work, because we come much later in the cycle, but the questions are the same. Yeah, they're asking for more and more advanced solutions from us because their own demands are increasing. Increasingly in India, the requirements are changing. Yeah, the requirements from industries themselves as they become more and more responsible, and then the mandates from the government, from policy changes and everything. The massive growth that we have seen for ZLD systems as an example, the massive growth that we have seen in requirements for desalination projects as an example. These are all cases where people are asking for genuine technology differentiation. They're asking for better engineered products. They're asking for things that are delivered with quality, time. More than anything, they're asking in services that we be a partner to them, a genuine partner, not just provide a product and run away through our digital solutions, through everything that we do, that we be a genuine partner to them. And this factory serves as that symbol of partnership that we have, that symbol of partnership that we have with the vendors, as Meher talked about, with our many TCA partners and everybody else that is in our journey, with our service partners, all of this. Yeah, we are starting out here with a business which has, and I'll take the blame. When I joined Thermax, in front of the first reviews that I had done, I remember coming out to this plant and being very, very unhappy. The way it looked, the way we worked, all of it. And in that sense, even then when the plant was asked for, my answer was, show me you can fix what you have before you get to discuss a new plant. In a very short time, the team said, okay, we have fixed what we have, and we have shown what we can do, so believe in us. And to everyone that is here, Vishal, Abhijit, Mandar, Sanjay, everyone, Ravindra, Hitendra, everyone that has been involved in this particular plant. Where is Ravindra? I don't see him. He's sitting right in the back as usual. Thank you. You have delivered an amazing, amazing plant. This has been part of your hard work, and for many of you, this has been your dream. Yeah, so getting that dream come through is a big, 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 big deal. My heartiest congratulations. Very, very proud of what you have done. Some of you who are partners, our water business now is 3 times of what it was 4 years ago, and it's growing. Yeah, we are at the precipice of 1,000 crores. We'll be very soon, at the rate you're going, at the precipice of 2,000 crores. And we say this plant can handle 2 times the capacity. I think very soon you may be running short of capacity, which will be the happiest thing for us all. Yeah, the example that I have it's one of our best examples, and I share this with many of our customers, some of whom are here today. It's for a major food company where the challenge was that the plant used 3.5 lakh liters per day of water, fresh water, which is what you need for a few villages, almost a small town. That is the amount that you needed to produce wafers and chips that we all eat. The challenge that was given to our water team was, how do we reduce this water consumption? And the team partnered with the customer for several months and this wasn't just a product solution, here's a product and here, all your world problems are solved. This is truly the example of partnership in the approach that I was talking about. The team went out there, studied the entire process, came up with a lot of interventions. Yeah, some of which were hardware and mechanical, etc. Doing some things, figuring out how do you recover some of the condensate water, etc. But it was completely redesigning the process itself. How do you do stream desegregation? How do you take the biological and the organic portion of the streams? How do you convert some of that organic matter into biogas that ultimately got recirculated through a lot of the water that was there? The recovery systems that were put allowed the plant to get almost 97 to 99% of the water to be recovered, used, to the extent that at the end the plant was water neutral. The entire usage of fresh water was stopped, and the plant became one of the biggest success stories. And sharing in that sense that growth does not mean harming the environment. Yeah, and to be that bridge between growing, because India as a nation will grow, we are growing, our needs are growing, and yet being sustainable. This business exemplifies this in every which way. So while you guys grow, and I hope you grow a lot, the larger purpose that the water business has, which is to make the world around us better, to make sure that water is available for generations to come, to make sure that we sustain the blue. I hope every day that you're working, whether you are Aarti, Sia, Shraddha, Sneha, who was here before, you're all beacons of something new. And I hope you take pride in that. It's an honor. It's a long, long, long journey that you're representing for many generations that will come afterwards. So with that request, with that wish, and with an absolute pleasure and an honor to be here, I thank you all, wish you all a very good walkthrough and the rest of the day. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And now the moment for all we've been waiting for. Let's embark on this new commencement journey and official inauguration of our facility. I would now invite Mr. Vishal Mehra, SBU Head of WWS Division, to address us and take the inauguration ahead.
Thank you, Mansi. At the outset, I would like to welcome Anu, Meher, Firoz, Ashish, Zahan, Leah, BCM for gracing this occasion. I'm highly obliged by the presence of our esteemed customers, supplier partners, channel partners, and my senior colleagues from Thermax. I know you would be eagerly waiting after seeing the video to come and see our new facility. However, considering the weather conditions outside and safety, in order to give you an immense experience, we have clubbed you guys in certain groups. These groups are color-coded. I think at the entrance you were given color-coded bands. Few of you have not been given because you are part of the first group. We have also paired each one of you with a senior resource from Thermax who would be your guide for this tour. Many of you would be sitting here, so we have great entertainment planned for you while one group goes ahead. My only one request, because this is a new facility, please don't take photographs. Because some of them are close to our know-how and capability, so I would request not to take photographs. Once the visit is done, I would request to please visit our info section, which we have planned for all of you outside, and do join us for lunch. Thank you. Thank you very much. So I have Ravi, who is going to take people without band. So people without band can now please stand and move.